Have you ever wished your car could talk to you? Well, guess what? Now it can. Tired of playing hide and seek with your car in enormous parking lots? With AVAS, your ultimate smart companion, locate your car 24/7 from your phone. And hey, worried parents, want to keep track of your teen on their late night adventures? Use AVAS to have peace of mind, knowing exactly where they are and how fast they're going. Don't get stranded with a dead battery. AVAS keeps you in the know with real-time battery status. Set up geofences around places like home or work and get notified when your car enters or exits. Your personal driving assistant. AVAS's dashboard tells you everything. Driving summaries, average speeds, alerts, and more. Car got stolen? Don't panic. Our recovery specialists are available 24/7, working directly with law enforcement to recover your car lightning fast. The best part? AVAS never gets old. It's always evolving with new features to make sure you and your car stay ahead of the game. Imagine getting exclusive rewards and massive savings simply for driving. AVAS turns everyday drives into extraordinary savings, connecting your vehicle to businesses nationwide. Keep your car in top shape with our digital glove box. It tracks maintenance intervals, reminds you when it's time for a service, and even helps you book your next appointment straight from the app. And it's not just about maintenance. Enjoy digital coupons to save money, making every drive a savings spree. Get up to a whopping $1,000 in discounts on services, parts, and dealer amenities. Skip the line with AVAS. Step into the AVAS VIP lane, because our users deserve nothing less than the red carpet treatment. With automated vehicle notifications, always stay in the know about your vehicle's health. Save time and money with a touch of VIP class. AVAS, your gateway to smarter driving and richer rewards. Join the smart car revolution with AVAS. Download AVAS now and let your car speak to you. Visit our site for more information. Drive smart, live smart with AVAS.